What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and I wanted to make this quick video because I really just wanted to stress the fact of how, if you are going to be promoting affiliate marketing products, you really need to be promoting systems that are going to give you different price points, systems that are going to give you recurring income, and systems that are going to sell different products and services for you. Now, I'm in my ClickFunnels account, as you guys can see, and if you guys have been following me for the last couple of years, you know that I've never outright promoted ClickFunnels. I've never said, hey, buy ClickFunnels through my link, get ClickFunnels through me. I've never done that, but you can see that I've earned a lifetime earnings of $7,709.15. Passively, guys. This is passive income. I've never promoted ClickFunnels. I've never sent this to my list. I've never made a video about ClickFunnels. There's like thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of ClickFunnels affiliates, and they're out there promoting ClickFunnels, and they're going to battle, right? While I'm quietly making over $7,000, almost $8,000 of passive ClickFunnels income. And why is that? Because I'm not out there battling and fighting and duking it out with the ClickFunnels affiliates. What I'm doing is I'm promoting a system. I'm promoting tools. I'm promoting training. One system, so one affiliate link, and it promotes all of these different products and services for me. And while all of these guys are trying to fight over ClickFunnels, I'm just promoting a good affiliate product, right? And it's giving me multiple commissions, multiple product sales, multiple service sales, and this is just one of them. So look, guys, if I pop over here, this is Partner with Anthony. Now, this is the system that I'm promoting that's giving me a lot of these ClickFunnels sales. Now, Partner with Anthony is basically an affiliate marketing education. It's going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing from scratch, literally step by step, click by click. There's literally like 30 some odd lessons in here, right? You get a lot of training. There's ongoing training that you get live every week. It's a phenomenal affiliate marketing program. Now, as you're going through and you're learning, you're promoting this product, right? This program, people are going through and they're learning how to do affiliate marketing. They're learning about landing pages. They're learning about page builders. They're learning about autoresponders. They're learning about traffic and all of these things that go with having an affiliate marketing business. If you're going to be online, you're going to bump into all of these things, tracking, all of these tools and services. And at some point, if you're serious about your affiliate marketing business, you're going to buy some of this stuff, if you don't already have it already. And so the great thing about Partner with Anthony is I have one affiliate link, and I can promote that one affiliate link, and I can promote a good product, a program that's actually going to teach people how to do affiliate marketing. Whether or not they want to make a bunch of money with Partner with Anthony themselves, like this education is going to teach you how to sell anything online, any product or service online, right? But while people are learning and going through these lessons, they are prompted to say, hey, you're going to need a page builder, right? Here's ClickFunnels. You're going to need an autoresponder. Here's GetResponse. You're going to need a click tracker. You're going to need traffic and all these different things that you can monetize. There's probably like 20 or so different things that you can monetize within Partner with Anthony. Now, you yourself don't have to buy all these things. Like, you don't even have to be a ClickFunnels purchaser to get affiliate commissions from ClickFunnels, right? So even if you were to join Partner with Anthony and you're going to say, oh, John, I don't want to spend $97 a month for ClickFunnels, right? You don't have to. It's just an affiliate link. So you can not have ClickFunnels. That's your choice. Obviously, they're going to recommend it within this course to build your marketplace. You want to promote Partner with Anthony, but you could sign up literally, not have ClickFunnels, place your affiliate link in there and start getting paid. If I show you guys here is a list of, it says Partner Anthony here, and then you can see some of the affiliate links that you're going to be able to get affiliate commissions for. You got Aweber in here, you got GetResponse, you got some other training, some software in here, and just with ClickFunnels alone, guys, I've been able to generate $8,000, right? So can you imagine how many other affiliate commissions, how much I made from some of these other affiliate sources, some of these other products and services? Like, I'll let you guys chew on that. So again, the point of this video is I'm trying to get you guys to see that a lot of you guys are promoting one-off products. And don't get me wrong, because I do that too. And I'm not hating on it, right? Because I have a list and I can promote one-off products. But if you're trying to build something substantial, you want to build something that's going to promote multiple products, that's going to have multiple price points, and that's going to also have a recurring income component. So when you make those sales don't end. They come in every month, right? The more people you bring into an affiliate program that has all these different price points, that has all these different recurring income opportunities, the more money you're obviously going to make. So that was the whole point of this video, guys. And Partner with Anthony, again, this is a great program to learn. I actually went through every one of these sessions and I learned, right? So even if you don't want to have ClickFunnels, even if you don't want to promote Partner with Anthony, I promote it. Obviously, I'm an affiliate for Partner with Anthony, but even if you didn't want to promote it, you can learn from it, right? Partner with Anthony is extremely cheap. It's extremely affordable. It's $7 a month. $7 a month. So you can pay $7 a month, or you can pay like $97 one time for the lifetime of the whole thing, and then you just own the program, right? And it comes with all this training, so much stuff. I don't even want to get into it in this video. I have videos about it on my other channel if you want to check it out. But what I'm trying to say, guys, if it's not Partner with Anthony, find something else, right? Find another affiliate program that's going to promote different price points, low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket, recurring, right? So that all you have to do is get one link, and you can promote that one link, and then it's going to pay you month after month after month after month. So that's really the message, guys. I'm actually going to leave a link for Partner with Anthony. If you guys have never heard of it, you can check it out. And like I said, it's extremely affordable. It's $7 a month. And regardless if you have ClickFunnels or not, you can promote Partner with Anthony and still get those affiliate commissions from ClickFunnels and all the other affiliate products and programs that are within this actual system. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm just trying to really be straight up and raw with you guys and just kind of tell you, like, this is what people do to kind of amass, monthly income online with different sources. But the great thing about some of these products and programs is you can promote one link and it pays you multiple different ways. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Hit the like button if you enjoy videos like this so I can do a lot more like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.